Ooh. Is her room? The view from our room.
Pero bumabagyo.
Scary! Tingnan ba dito? Tingnan. Kararating lang namin dito sa Tagaytay an hour ago. Check-in agad kami sa rooms namin. I'm not morning. Hindi ko alam anong activity ang gagawin namin ngayon, pero I hope marami pa rin kami pupunta ngayon kahit na maulan-ulan. Bagyo-bagyo. Sana masulit pa rin ang araw na to. Kasi maaga pa eh, alas 10 pa yata eh. Hindi pa kami kumakain. I hope masarap yung pagkain.
But before na I will go into it,
Gusto ko yung isali-sali try. Dapat yung mga
Yan na sila tama. Basta
kapal mo.
sinulak na. Lasin mo din.
padasin mo, kita sa tulipaan. Ada yun parang kung bagas.
Roadmap, roll out. Alam ko po na pakahirap ang biyahe natin, especially those who came all the way from Region 2. You have to travel 14 hours just to be with us today and tomorrow.
Year 1740 po, dinala ng Espanya ang kaunahang puno ng kape sa Batangas. Ang kaunahang puno ng kape para po ay 1745 po na tanim sa Batangas. Kaya po nagla ng Batangas na kapeng barako.
Ang requirement po ng Region 1 hanggang 12 ay puro flow. Pati yung ginamit ng USA para kumanan ng sayon. Hindi pa din kayanin. Wala. Hindi naman po, nakalimutan lang yung flow ko, 4 weeks. So yun ang part ng PE. Kaya pwede po, when it comes to funding ma'am, and sa National Coffee Research, we can request fund from the DE bar. Okay. And then, isasabit ko po yun sa DE. For the council to talk, although nagkaroon na nag-guideline at magbibili si DA ngayon in support to the coffee industry.
The end of the program for day 1, and I can't really roam around right now because the weather is crazy. It's fogging crazy right now. Grabe ang weather. We were supposed to go to Cafe Amedeo too, pero fortunately yun nga, paulan-ulan and malakas yung hangin. So we're stuck here sa function hall. We just discussed about coffee and Amadeo. Ooh. Can you hear that? Sumisipo lang hangin. Shit. Grabe. I want to jog right now, but I can't really jog. Waiting for dinner. It's 5:18 and dinner is served at 7 o'clock, I think. So, we're gonna wait for a while. Hi, Pogi.
I was down, my dreams were thin.
Wish 175.
You're lost, where do you begin?
This is the face of someone who can't sleep.